Nigeria, often dubbed the Giant of Africa, is on a thrilling journey towards becoming a major economic powerhouse. The country is building bustling ports handling millions of tons of cargo, sleek railways cutting through the landscape, and colossal power plants lighting up homes across the country. These mega projects are the backbone of Nigeria's ambitious development agenda, from enhancing connectivity and improving logistics to fostering sustainable energy and driving industrialization. So, please sit back and join us as we journey through Nigeria's awe-inspiring infrastructure projects. Let's dive right in, starting with the project number 5, Mambilla Hydropower Project. The Mambilla Hydropower Project, located in Taraba State, Nigeria, is set to be one of Africa's largest hydropower installations. This massive project aims to generate 3,050 megawatts of electricity, significantly boosting Nigeria's power supply and driving economic growth. Spanning an impressive scope, the project includes the construction of a dam and a series of smaller dams connected by tunnels. The total budget for this colossal project is estimated at $5.8 billion. Funding comes from Chinese loans from the Export-Import Bank of China and Nigerian government contributions. The primary contractor is a consortium led by China Gashuba Group Corporation, CGGC, and Sino-Hydro. The construction began in August 2020, with an expected completion date of around 2026. This timeline includes the construction of the main dam, subsidiary dams, tunnels, and associated infrastructure, such as power stations and transmission lines. The Mambilla Hydropower project's main dam will be 150 meters tall, with a reservoir capacity of 1.3 billion cubic meters. Also, the project will feature 4 dams, Naya, Sumsum, Ngu, and API Weir. The power generated will be transmitted to the national grid through 700 kilometers of 500 kV DC transmission lines. Once completed, it is expected to save Nigeria over $1 billion annually in electricity costs and significantly reduce power outages. 4. Lagos-Kano Standard Gauge Railway, SGR. The Lagos-Kano Standard Gauge Railway, often called SGR, is an ambitious project to enhance Nigeria's railway infrastructure. Stretching over 1,343 kilometers, this modern rail line connects Lagos, the bustling economic hub, to Kano, a key commercial center in the north. The project aims to replace the old, inefficient narrow-gauge rail system, providing a faster, safer, and more reliable mode of transportation. This mega project has a hefty price tag of approximately $11.1 billion. Funding is sourced from a mix of Chinese loans facilitated by the Export-Import Bank of China and Nigerian government contributions. Construction began in phases, with the Lagos-Ibadan segment operational since June 2021. The entire project is expected to be completed by 2025. Nigeria's transportation sector has long faced challenges, including congested roads and inefficient rail systems. The SGR will drastically cut travel time. For instance, the journey from Lagos to Kano, which currently takes over 24 hours by road, will be reduced to just about 8 hours by rail. The Lagos-Kano SGR's rail line will feature 22 stations, serving major cities and towns along the route. Besides, it's designed to handle passenger and freight traffic, with trains running up to 150 km per hour. 3. Ajaokuta-Kaduna-Kano, AKK, gas pipeline. Nigeria's energy sector has long grappled with issues of inconsistent power supply and over-reliance on oil. The AKK gas pipeline aims to change this by providing a steady supply of natural gas to power plants and industries in the north, reducing dependence on oil, and lowering greenhouse gas emissions. Spanning 614 kilometers, this pipeline aims to transport natural gas from Ajaokuta in Kogi State through Abuja and Kaduna, terminating in Kano. This project is a key part of Nigeria's gas master plan, which seeks to harness the country's vast natural gas resources. The AKK gas pipeline has a significant budget of approximately $2.8 billion. Construction of the AKK gas pipeline began in 2020, with an expected completion date set for 2025. This timeline includes the pipeline laying, construction of associated facilities, and integration with existing gas infrastructure. The impact of the AKK gas pipeline is profound. Once operational, it will transport up to 3.5 billion cubic feet of gas daily. This will provide energy to millions of homes and businesses, stimulate industrial growth, and improve many Nigerians' overall quality of life. 2. Lekki-Epe International Airport. Nigeria's aviation sector has faced significant challenges, including overburdened airports and outdated infrastructure. The Lekki-Epe International Airport aims to address these issues by providing a state-of-the-art facility to meet international standards and accommodate the increasing number of passengers and cargo. Located in the bustling Lekki Free Trade Zone area, this new airport is set to become a major hub for domestic and international flights, easing congestion at Lagos Murtala Muhammad International Airport and catering to the growing demand for air travel. With a projected budget of approximately $1.2 billion, the Lekki-Epe International Airport is a significant investment in Nigeria's infrastructure. Construction of the airport commenced in 2021, with the completion date set for 2025. This timeline includes the development of runways, terminals, cargo facilities, and associated infrastructure, ensuring the airport is equipped to handle the expected traffic and future growth. Once completed, the Lekki-Epe International Airport will feature a 4.5-kilometer runway capable of handling large aircraft like the Airbus A380. Also, it's designed to handle 5 million passengers annually in its initial phase, with plans to expand as demand grows. The airport will also attract investment into the Lekki Free Trade Zone, encouraging the establishment of new businesses and industries. 1. Badagry Deep Sea Port. Nigeria's existing ports, particularly in Lagos, have long struggled with congestion and inefficiencies. The Badagry Deep Sea Port aims to alleviate these issues by providing additional capacity in state-of-the-art facilities, making Nigeria a key maritime hub in West Africa. Located in the historic town of Badagry in Lagos State, this port is set to become one of Africa's largest and most modern deep-sea ports, significantly boosting Nigeria's trade capacity. Spanning an area of over 1,100 hectares, the project includes constructing a deep-sea port with extensive cargo handling facilities, including 3 container berths, 1 dry bulk berth, and 3 liquid berths. The total budget for this ambitious project is approximately $2.59 billion. Construction of the port began in earnest in 2021, with the completion date targeted for 2025. This timeline includes the development of the port infrastructure, dredging, and constructing associated facilities such as warehouses and logistics centers. Once completed, it will drastically reduce congestion at Lagos-Apapa and Tin Can Island ports, improving efficiency and reducing the cost of shipping goods into and out of Nigeria. The Badagry Deep Sea Port is expected to handle up to 2.7 million TEUs, 20-foot equivalent units, annually. Also, the port will have a draft depth of 16.5 meters, allowing it to accommodate the largest container ships. And there you have it. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.